got some shit thing.
Negative, Ghost Rider, the pattern is full.
What an idiot. Clown just went through a red light. He couldn't hold his fucking load for another 3 seconds. And to what end? There was no one in front of him. What an idiot. Come on, mate. Let's go.
Made the potential cut lip.
Look at this lug nut. Another idiot. He can lane filter, but he's like, nah, screw it, I'll just go down the shoulder instead. Oh, what a fucktard. In the right turn only lane and turned left. What an idiot. Look at this clown. Mate, you're a dead set fucking goose.
Feel like a I feel like a tourist. I feel like a tourist. Drop through.
What's this clown doing on the phone? This clown's texting. Let's see what they're doing. Dumb bitch is texting while driving. Anyone who's wondering if so, oh, maybe they're making a phone call, no. Drive past, it's an iPhone, I can see the talk bubbles. We're texting while driving.
How he works, how his mind works. It's hard to say that he would never do it, but I just don't think it's very likely. So seeing him in this forum at StarCast on Saturday.
Saying this, but our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to none other than
It's a long 50 meters, but as long as you go left, I'll let you out. Look at this fucking bitch. This woman just drove 100 meters down a shoulder, and then just cuts back in on the one line of traffic. But the thing is there's a wanker up there who they just let her back in and go, oh, okay. What makes people think it's okay to do this? No. I was too busy flicking the bean this morning that I was running late, so I have to get to work on time, and my time is more important than yours. Superiority. You are going to have to go one day, son. I can't see a fucking thing with you there. Where are you going? You idiot. What a dickbag. Why would you walk across the fucking road? There's pedestrian lights there telling you not to fucking cross, and you just walk out in front of a car. An idiot.